Today we're showing you a 2018 John Deere 5085E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor comes with a John Deere 520M quick attach front loader. Tractor has under 20 hours on it. It's like brand new. Comes with the balance of the factory warranty. It's got the global style hookup here for your loader bucket connection. Bucket looks new. Got the front grill guard, front work lights in the cab, level indicator on the loader, corner post exhaust, mid hose connections here for your loader hoses, 12.424 front tires, 18.430 rear tires. Tractor looks new inside and out. And again, under 20 hours, this tractor has not hardly seen any use. Telescopic 3-point arms, has the stabilizer bars, 540 and 540 PTO. Top link, stackable hydraulic valves, rear work lights. And again, the tractor does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Inside the cab, it's got the air ride seat here for the operator, tilt and telescopic wheel, left-hand power reverse allows you to change direction without clutching, 540 PTO selector back here behind the seat, factory installed joystick for your loader, 12-speed transmission. You've got 3 ranges in the short lever, 4 synchronized gears, and the larger lever gives you a total of 12 speeds. On the control console, you've got your hydraulic 3-point PTO controls, as well as your hand throttle and 4-wheel drive engagement. Up top, you've got a radio, climate controls, rear view mirror, sun visor. Again, the tractor's in new condition, just under 20 hours on it. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.